So guys, here is our egusi with our ugali and fufu. Hi guys, welcome back again to another new video. So today we're going to prepare egusi soup. This is my first time preparing this. I've never done it before, so yeah, enjoy the video. So right now we're gonna open our stock. It's called fillet. So I don't know where my scissors is for opening the packets, but I'm going to pour it here. Not too much, but small. It's having a strong smell. Oh. The Archbishop man said I should make my son become a strong man. So I'm using all this. I'm not going to prepare everything. I'm going to put this on for next time. And then they said I should soak it in hot water. And yeah, here we go. Just pour in hot water. And see. Okay. So I think I know this fish from the smell. You know, I had corona, but right now I can smell everything. Okay. So I'm gonna put this, set this aside, and then this is our egusi. I don't know if you can read it. Egusi. So let us open this. So put here. I don't know if it's too much. No, I don't think it's too much. Let's go 5 or 6. 6 is enough. Yeah. Then so this for next time. I don't know if this is enough or it's too small. Maybe I should add a little bit here. I think it's too small. But it's only for me and my son. So I think that's enough. This one is for next time. I put it here. And then we have our crayfish here. Our crayfish. I know you guys got read it well. It's our crayfish. And you open it. You also put here inside. Oh, I don't know if you said I should check, I should remove the head. I forgot. I don't know if it's already made. Oh guys, I did not even check. But I can't even remove anything, they're too small. So, this is the omena. Yeah, that's enough. The sun is coming, he doesn't need to smell this right now. If he smells it, he'll not eat it. So, just remove this. Wow. Oh, he said wow. So we are eagerly waiting to finish.
This one.
Yeah, for cooking.
I don't like this one.
Why? It's the oil.
Huh?
Oil.
Oh, oil.
Yeah, oil.
Oil.
Palm oil. Red oil. Okay. So now we just go ahead and add ugu leaves. Oh God, I'm getting so much names here. I'm going to add small amount. I'm not going to put too much. And then we're adding our bitter leaves. I'm just going to put small because I don't know how they're tasting. Like I said, it's my first time making this. I don't know how to. I've never eaten this before. I hope it's gonna be nice. Oh God. So that's enough. I don't want to put too much on something I've never eaten. I'm very careful when it comes to vegetables. I'm not a good fan. So then I'm going to add in our paprika and then we wash this. Then we blend it, as you can see. Yeah. So then I'm gonna add in our paprika. The blender is not a big one, so I'm going to add it small. I have a big blender. I can try in the big blender, by the way. So let me just add big, then I put in the big blender. The big blender takes a lot of time to blend because it's not that good. It's an old one, and the small blender takes little time. So I'm thinking, let me just go and wash it and I'll be right back. So right now guys, I'm just trying to blend it. I'm not going to wash it. Okay. What is it? Go bring my houseware. Doing that.
It's the different.
So this one making tuck tuck tuck. Guys, I don't know if this is enough. It looks a little bit small compared to the meat that we have. So as you can see, I don't think it's enough. I need to add. So let me add and then we continue. Huh? Here we go. We'll add this in.
Don't put more again.
Why? Because we have meat there. And that was too small for our meat.
Wow, that's meat.
Cook the goat skin. Just gonna blend this one again. My hands are very dirty. Guys, this is the actual size of the what I've added now. It's too much, but it's not bad. We're going to just cook it now. I'm going to blend for a few minutes. Cook it now, it's good. So guys, after we're going to use our red oil, so our palm oil. I'm just going to put now in the pot, the cooking pot. Oh, the red oil is still firm. Oh my god, I just put it in the hot water, but it's still firm. And it's coming out. Okay. I'm going to use the whole bottle here. Yeah. Ooh. So, and then close. Oh my God. Cooking a Nigerian recipe is not easy. So, the red oil is oiling and melting. So, I think I'm just going to hold the phone with my hand. Now you can see well what I'm talking about. So, I hope I don't put too much oil. It's kind of it's looking like it's too much. I don't know. I'm going to put a little bit aside. It's too much, I think so. Hey, it's too much. So we're going to add in our onion. It's very hard. You don't even notice the oil is ready because the oil was just there. Enough, but I think it's ready now. So let me put this. So I'm going to add in our fish. Guys, it's really hard cooking and recording. Meanwhile, our meat is still boiling. So, and then we now add in our egusi. And then we stir it. Kind of already looking delicious, even though it's not yet ready. I knew I put too much oil. I was going to cook. See? That's to cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Hope the mafuta will go down on the oil. So I have to stir. Cook on the low heat. Not yet, Baba. Keep on stirring and stirring.
Look.
Huh?
See? This one. See? This one is long.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then let's put it on.
Stir for 8 minutes like this. Keep on stirring and stirring. Cook on low heat. Afanye kwa bafu. Wait. Guys, I just remembered we have some spinach over here. I'm gonna add it inside. Don't put out too much. Because too much is still iced. So I'll get it inside. And then you cover it under low heat. And spinach. So guys, I added some spinach on our egusi, and then now we're going to add in our meat. So ready for it, and then we start. So this is our egusi. Yeah, can't wait to taste it. So guys, here is our egusi with our ugali and fufu.